dito na naman kami sa shed. So, ito final look. If we cannot solve the problem, bibili ng bago. Kasi talagang
Need the oil down a little bit.
yeah, it's because it's leaking. Did you see the wet? Did you see?
Yeah.
It's still, ano guys, nag-agas-agas pa rin yung oil. Ito na yun man, tulungan ko lang si Mr. dito kasi kailangan talagang ayusin or bibili kami ng bagong ano. So, sabi pa ni Tami, he wear his favorite clothes and this is his party clothes. He's so proud of it. Look at it. So proud of it. How can we buy a freaking machine if he doesn't know how to buy shirt? It's all the way down, right there. The thing is how you can get rid of
There's
this.
nothing leaking on this. So.
No, it's under here. Go all the way there.
Yeah, but I have to.
No, it's hard to do it,
Yeah,
hon.
that's the problem. You have to pull the whole engine.
This one, maybe. So, tulungan ko lang si Mr.
Fucking filthy. You can't see nothing.
Of course, because you know why? The oil, hand, it's collecting all the time because it's like collecting because it's wet and it's oil.
You know, we really need to hose this thing off and clear it so we can see what the hell's going on. We can't see anything because it's like all oily.
Are you
grass.
are we allowed to use to hose it?
Yeah.
To hose it?
Yeah.
They're not gonna blow up like wiring stuff like
No,
that.
you have to be careful when you use a hose though.
Like how you can.
No, you can't really clean it, hon.
No, just do it like that. I can
Yeah.
There's wiring. You cannot do water in it. I think that's it, love.
No, you gotta go higher than that.
Oh, goodness.
Seriously.
Kompleto sa amin mga loves, oh. Wala, be careful, ha? May brake naman dito. Hala, this is really high now. Lock it, ha? Lock it after. You lock it. So, yun. Ang daming oil nagbasa, oh. Oil, oh. You make our floor really ugly. Hala, be careful, love.
I have to pull this whole plate off.
Why? Wire?
It's an upper belt.
Oh, goodness, tignan niyo yung oil, oh. Oh my goodness, tignan niyo yan. My husband's hand. Oh, your eyes, baby.
Yeah.
Ang hirap kasi kapag, ano mga loves, yung, lalo na kapag mahirapan ka, if you don't know how everything works, all you do is like, buy a new one. Yeah, and some people doesn't know how this work, right?
You bring it to a shop.
They don't know how to put oil, nothing. Like me. You think shop can do this?
Yeah.
They will pick it up, right?
Well, you have to get one that picks it up. I'll say yes. So much dirt and crap.
At ipakita ko sa inyo, ha. May problema nakita namin ni Mr. And yung problema dito is, meron dito, oh, yun, oh. Natanggal mga loves. Look, tignan nyo, oh. Yung sa, oh my God, natanggal talaga siya. Tulungan ko lang si Tami kung saan ma-locate yung, tawag nun, yung oil na lumulusot. So dito, kailangan kong linisin. Okay. Okay. Give it to me. There's one here, loose in here too.
I gotta take these off so I can pull this pipe out so I can check this.
Okay. Give it.
Let me see if I can just go through the pipe. That's
This is what we do, guys, as a couple.
so.
This is what we do as a couple. We're always like, I cannot just leave my husband alone.
It's not big enough.
Huh? It's not big?
No, let's do it. Let me get the wrench to make life easy. Just take that off.
Ito yung sira, mga loves, oh. Look, oh. Look, ito, oh. Oh, kita ninyo yan? Natanggal. Saan kaya nahulog yung screw? Kaloka ito. So, itong yellow dito, may yellow dito, oh. Ito siya. Loose siya, guys. Tignan yung kamay ni Inday Marian. Tignan nyo ito mga loves. Tulungan kami dito mga loves. Gusto kong tulungan si Mister. This is very
I don't know
loose.
what that is. I like it.
It's like where the oil goes out. Oh.
It may be a sensor.
Nagutom. Ito yung sinasabi ng iba na isa akong palamunin at walang kwenta dahil wala akong ginagawa. Tingnan nyo yung kuko. Saan kayo maghanap ng Pilipina na sa Amerika na ganito yung kuko? Dahil sa gawaing bahay at tutulong sa asawa. Palamunin ng asawa. Walang trabaho. Walang trabaho. Ang dami magsasabi na walang kwenta daw si ako. Tignan yung kamay ko. Sobrang dumi. Dahil sa kakalaro ng lawnmower. At sa kakaano. No? So ngayon nagutom ako. So Pilipino yung lutuin ko ngayon mga loves. Wala na akong lakas taon Ginoo ko. Wala na jud ko yung lakas mga loves. Gutom na ako. Hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin. Nagmamadali na ako dito magluto ng itlog. At saka itlog at saka sardines, tinapa. Tinapa yung ulam at itlog, 'di ba? Ang sarap kaya nito. Nan. So ito yung gagawin ko. Mag-onion na lang tayo mga loves. Onion para masarap at saka mabango yung luto natin. Itlog at sardinas, no? Tayo dito, madaliin natin ito kasi gutom na ako, wala na akong lakas. Tumutulong ako kay Mr. kanina, walan ako ng lakas. Sabi ko, kakain ako kasi hindi na ako makatayo. Iba yung ko mga loves, meron ako talagang sakit na kapag magutom, lalampas ng 12 o'clock and then hindi ako kumakain ng rice sa pinaandar na ni Tami. Okay na yung okay na. So ito yung sardines natin mga loves. I-mix natin sa ating ito. Mix natin, no? Yung mix. So, Sharon, ganyan mga loves. Kapag sobrang hungry, wala nang pakialam, luto nang tayo ng itlog with sardines. Gusto ko sana ng udong kaso wala nang time. Ito na, madali ito eh. Madalian lang ba? Meron ako ditong saging, inano ni Tami kanina. So, kainin natin yan bago natin itapon. Huwag tayong magtapon. Huwag tayong magtapon-tapon. So, ito na siya mga loves. Okay na yung machine na na ni Tami, hopefully. Hindi na siya maingay na parang pump bot. Tayo kasi ang daming bunga. Hala, ano to? Ang daming ito. Magdala ko ng tubig. Ilagay natin dyan para malinis. Ang dami na kasing bunga, oh. So, kunin natin. Daming bunga mga loves. Sana matamis itong makuha natin, no? Kasi every time na magkuha ko dito, tawag nun, sobrang asim. Nahulog. Look. Sana matamis ito eh. Oh, dami oh. Tama. Tara na ito. Ano, i-mix natin siya dyan. Para sure, no? Masira lang kasi ito mga loves. Kapag hindi natin, kahit maliliit siya, masarap man siya kainin. Hopefully matamis po ito. Yun, hindi masyadong maasim. Pero may sasabihin ako sa inyo. Ito siya, hindi ko bet. Parang ayaw ko siya, hindi ko feel siya na prutas. Mas gusto ko pa yung ano, ibang prutas sa Pilipinas na hindi. Pero tikman natin, sayang naman. Sayang naman. Ayaw ko na. Hindi ko talaga gusto.